Welcome to part 2 of Layout a Print Book's Pages. In this video, we're going to learn how to auto-flow text into the document and how to add and delete pages. This first technique of auto-flow will save you hours and hours of copying and pasting thousands of words from a Word document into an InDesign file. How do we do this? First of all, we have to create a text box. Now, if you haven't got the toolbox open, go to Window and Tools, and there it is. Let's click on the Type tool, the T, and then click and drag a text box from the top left corner of where the edge of the margin is, not the edge of the page, to the bottom right. Now I'm going to deliberately do that not quite right so you can see what to do if you're not quite right when you're placing this. Click on the black arrow and then click on the text box you just created. Grab one of the guides there, I've got the activation node, and just click it into place. Now you're ready to go, but you'll need to click back on the Type tool. To get the text, you'll need to go to File and then Place. Select the text, here it's called Sample of Manuscript, and then click Open. Now you'll see that the first page comes in, chapter 1. Down the bottom right hand corner, there's a little red box with a little red cross on it. Now, if this happens to you, it means that not all the text went in. That's okay, we can fix that, but just to confirm that, I'm going to double click on page 2 in the Pages palette. See, there's no text there. Now, this is where autoflow comes in. Sometimes your computer will be set up so autoflow is automatic, so you don't need to worry about the little red box in the bottom. But if it has happened to you, the key is to hold down Shift during that process. So let's hit Control Z to undo, and then this time hold down Shift on your keyboard, and you'll see the cursor has still got the text around it indicating it's loaded up, ready to go. Click near the top left hand corner of the first page, and you'll see now by holding down Shift we've activated autoflow, and you can see from the Pages palette as I'm scrolling through all the text has gone in. Let's see what's happened down further. Oh yep, okay, most of it's in there, and right up to about page 40 I think is where it ends. Okay, so there's a few extra pages there, and I'm not going to get rid of all of them now. I just want to show you how to delete pages if you don't want them there. I'm going to click on page 43 and then hold down Shift on the keyboard and click on page 50. Now there are 3 different ways to delete, so I'm going to show you one now, and that is just to go to the little trash can at the bottom of the Pages palette and click that, and it will give you a warning. The affected pages contain objects, delete the pages anyway. Click OK, yes, and you'll see that those pages are now gone. And to insert pages before number 1, let's double click on page number 1, and here's another way to get to the insert deletion options for InDesign. Go up to this little arrowhead at the top right of the Pages palette, click on it, and you'll see one of the options is Insert Pages. Let's make use of that now. I'm going to suggest that you put 6 pages. You don't have to put 6 exactly. These are preliminary pages that I'm going to put in now before the main text starts. You might have 8. If you've got a long preface, you might have 18. But I'm going to put them before page 1 and click OK, and see how there are now preliminary pages added. There are 6 blank pages before the main text starts on what is now page 7. We'll do the page numbering later in another video, but for now I suggest you save the file. So we'll go File and Save, and we'll do Books Pages. Just save it there as an InDesign CS6 document. And we're ready for the next video. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like or subscribe if you'd like to view more videos about indie book publishing.